Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Geography Chapter 1, Resources of Class 8. So, first of all, we will discuss what is resource. Anything that can satisfy our need is called resource. So, we can say that resources have utility and value. Resources can be classified into three categories. They are natural resources, human made, and human resource. So the first question comes in our mind that what is natural resource? Natural resources are directly obtained from nature and they do not need much modification for their use. Second is human made resource. People use the natural resources to make roads, bridges, vehicles, etc., which are called human made resources. Next is human resource. It refers to the number and abilities of people. Abilities means mental and physical abilities of people. Improving these abilities is called human resource development. Now, natural resources can be classified on different bases, like on the basis of level of development, on the basis of origin, on the basis of stock, on the basis of distribution. So first I am going to discuss on the basis of level of development. Resources can be classified into two categories. They are actual resources and potential resources. The resources whose quantity is known and are used at present are called actual resources. For example, coal, petroleum, etc. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known, not being used at present, but could be used in future. For example, uranium present in Ladakh. Next is on the basis of origin. Resources can be classified into abiotic and biotic. Non-living resources are abiotic. For example, soil and rocks. Living resources are biotic. For example, plants and animals. Now, on the basis of stock, resources can be classified into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are renewed or replenished quickly, like solar or wind energy. But non-renewable resources have limited stock and they are renewed in thousands of years. For example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Now, on the basis of distribution, resources can be classified into ubiquitous and localized. Ubiquitous resources are found everywhere, like air, but localized resources are found in certain places, like copper, iron ore, etc. Here I have mentioned two important points discussed in the chapter. They are resource conservation and sustainable development. We know that at present we are using resources indiscriminately and it is also causing problems like pollution. So, using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is referred to as resource conservation. Whereas balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future is known as sustainable development. Thank you.